I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. We are the #1 seller of beaded curtains in the entire world. We have our beads made in a special way so that they're extra sparkly and beautiful. This video is going to show you how to hang a beaded curtain. I'm not going to hang them in a window or in a doorway, but I'm going to explain to you what you need to do in order to hang them. All of the beaded curtains come hanging on their own rod, so you don't have to do any assembly. They come with all the beads already hanging on them. And then at the top of these rods are 2 eyelets. The eyelets have holes in the middle, and you can use, gosh, we've used thumbtacks sometimes to hang up a beaded curtain to take a look at it, but you can use 2 nails, 2 hooks. We also sell these magnet hooks. So if you have a magnetic ceiling, say you have a drop ceiling and you wanted to build a big sort of chandelier by using 4 of these curtains in a square, you could use these magnet hooks, pop them onto the drop ceiling, and hang these very easily because most of our curtains are pretty lightweight. So you would just hook these on here and pop these into the drop ceiling. If you're hanging them over pipe and drape, which a lot of our customers do, you can buy these hooks. These are shown on each beaded curtain page, so you can just take a look at these. They're a couple bucks, really inexpensive for a whole pack of them. So those are a handy way to use them. I also wanted to show you that some of our rod tops have sliding eyelets. So these, you wouldn't have to get your positioning for your nails or your cup hooks or whatever you're using to hang them. You wouldn't have to get them perfect. These will slide around. You can mount these to ceilings, to walls, in doorways, inside of the windows, outside of a window, on a rod pocket. We also sell beaded curtains with rod pocket tops. So you would just use a regular curtain rod and slide these on there. If you wanted to have some privacy, because obviously if you had these in a window, they wouldn't give you privacy, you would use a double curtain rod. You would put these on one of the curtain rods and then put your privacy curtains on the other rod. Behind me are some of our popular styles of beaded curtains. And you can see that most of them come, I don't know if you can see from there, but most of them come with the straight plastic rod at the top with the stationary eyelets. I'm standing next to our Spangles beaded curtain. We took some of the length off of here to get it in the shot, but you can see that these are totally adjustable because they have jump rings attaching one of these discs to the next. So we can make these as long as you want. We can do it for you, or you can do it yourself. You can adjust these. They're awesome. They're super lightweight. They give you a really killer impression when they're hanging in the air. They look like, you know, moving architecture. They're really beautiful. They come in a ton of colors. We have so many styles of beaded curtains. You can check them out on the website. You can call us anytime if you have a question about what customization that we can do for you or exactly how to hang a specific beaded curtain. We try to put the weights of every curtain right on the product page. So there's a lot of detail, lots of videos. Our team is always really excited to talk to you. So don't hesitate to give us a call at 928-855-6075. They'll be your new besties.